In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. Adding an unsubscribe link is an important finishing touch for any email template. It helps you stay compliant with email marketing rules, protects your sender reputation, and gives subscribers a clear way to opt out if they no longer want to hear from you. In Klaviyo, you can add this link directly inside your template footer, so it appears consistently across your emails. Start by going into your Klaviyo account and opening the main navigation. Find Content, then choose Templates. This is where Klaviyo stores the designs you use for campaigns and flows. Take a moment to confirm you are working with the right template, especially if you have multiple versions for different brands or newsletters. Next, select the template you want to update. You can open it to edit, or choose an existing template that you regularly send. Once you are inside the template editor, scroll down to the footer area. The footer is a common place for subscription preferences, legal text, and contact details, so adding your unsubscribe link here keeps things familiar and easy to find for your readers. Now drag a text block into the footer. Place it where you want the unsubscribe line to appear. Keep it simple and readable, with enough spacing so it does not feel cramped. A short phrase like unsubscribe or manage preferences works well, but the key part is inserting the correct unsubscribe link using Klaviyo personalization. With the text block selected, look for personalization. It is the user icon at the bottom of the editor tools. Click Personalization, then browse the available options and select the unsubscribe link. This inserts the proper dynamic link so each recipient can unsubscribe safely and correctly. After the unsubscribe link is inserted, quickly review the text to make sure it looks clean and matches your template style. Then click Save. Saving locks in the update so the link appears when you use this template in future sends. And that is all there is to it.